Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Update the Phonepe app and confirm a stable connection because interruptions break the flow. Once done, unlock your phone and open Phonepe, then sign in with the registered number. You need access to incoming SMS for OTP. That's how Phonepe verifies identity. If you use an app lock or MPIN, keep those handy, you may be prompted. This first step sets secure context and avoids verification retries later. Now move through the app to reach security controls. You tap your profile, then open settings and choose security or account. Phonepe groups password and MPIN controls there. Next, select change password or change MPIN based on what you want to update. The app will ask for verification, either an OTP sent to your number or your current MPIN. This confirms it's you. Enter the code promptly, then type a new password that mixes letters and numbers. Finish by carefully retyping your new password or MPIN and tapping save. Mismatched entries are the most common cause of failure, so double-check. Once saved, log out and log in again to confirm the change took effect and that you remember the new credential. If the app rejects OTP or shows an error, wait a short time. Network issues or SMS delays happen, then request OTP again. If problems persist, contact Phonepe support from the app. They can revalidate and help reset securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.